Yawo, Kadocicò, cu deporte.
Juni Martinez logra di 6 viaggi consecutivi il titolo di 100 meter di Nationale Kampioenschap di Holanda. Juni ha corre 100 meter in 10.1 secondi. Quel tempo Juni ha classificato per il Olimpico a Rio. E l'accidente olimpico stava di 10.14 secondi. In Mucha sigue llega passione al golf na Tierra del Sol.
El grupo de Mucha, tanto femenino como masculino, que muestra interés para golf, está creciendo. Por mira, con Mucha de 4 años también está llegando. Pasinha. Para el instructor James Kelly, está bom para Mucha for chiquito. Y para trabajar con Mucha está un divertición.
You can see we're here today on our Saturday golf clinic having a lot of fun. 9 of them today actually, and doing their putting drills as you can see.
It's the younger ones coming out, huh?
Yeah, they tend to be a little bit younger these days, which is great. It's very nice for them to get in this great weather. But I'm also knowing a lot more girls are picking up golf. You can see today I have 3 girls in the class, and they run around there with the boys and play just as well too. So it's nice to see they're both out here playing.
They're having fun. That's the best part of it. Huh?
That's the key. They're really enjoying themselves out here. Making friends. Having fun, playing games, and that's really what it's all about.
The vacation of school in a couple of days.
Yes.
So Tierra del Sol have anything here?
Yes, this summer we will have a summer camp planned for the kids. It's going to start in July. First week will be July 11th, and it's going to be every week for 4 weeks after that. It's going to be only 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And it's basically going to be golf-oriented classes for them. In the morning time, we're going to feed them a nice little breakfast snack, and then they're going to do their putting drills and a few other activities, and then feed them their lunch. After that, we'll take them onto the golf course and acclimate them with a little bit more of course play as well. So it's going to be a fun camp throughout the week for them, and I'm sure they'll all enjoy it.
Any parents who listen to this news now could bring the kids here to learn about golf?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, if you want to get a little more information, you can always check us out on our website at tierradelsol.com, or you can always call the Golf Pro Shop, and we can answer any questions you may have at that point.
James, you enjoy it with these kids?
Oh, absolutely. They're a lot of fun. They keep me on my toes, and throughout the day, I learn a lot from them as well. What's going on at school, what's cool these days, what song's fresh, but most of all, they're just a lot of fun to be around, so I enjoy it.